Hello viewers, welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. New PC build from Be Quiet, exclusive all the parts. Many thanks to Be Quiet for sending me these products. More to come, so don't miss the final video of the Be Quiet PC build. Light wings white, impressive lighting, superior cooling. 120 and 140mm PWM high-speed fans on white color, available and on plug. This is the triple pack, so let's open the box to find out more about this product. Six fans, 3 120 and another 3 140. ARGB ring lighting at the front and at the rear. 20 ARGB LEDs give you many opportunities to individualize your PC build. We have 9 airflow optimized fan blades, provide enough air pressure even in demanding configurations for water and air-cooled systems. A highly optimized fan frame and impeller achieve the silent operation of just 31 dB at maximum fan speed. PWM compatible 4-pin controller connects to your motherboard to intelligently increase or decrease fan speed as needed. And of course you can connect and the ARGB connector at your motherboard. Of course you need to have a compatible motherboard. The same and for the other 3 fans, for the 140mm and for the 120mm. Now how you can connect all this? So if you want, you can connect one with the other, this fan with this fan. Perfect. And then you can connect the one cable at the motherboard. So you need only one cable to connect all these 3 fans. And then you need to connect the PWM cable for each fan at the motherboard and then use the ARGB hub for the lighting. Allows to synchronize up to 6 light wings simultaneously. It can be mounted using the double coated adhesive tape at the back, like an SSD. Yep, correct. So if you're not going to use the method cable by cable and connect one cable at your motherboard, unplug everything and connect at the hub, one here, another one here, and of course maximum 6. There it is. 6 fans connected here at this hub. And then you need one cable that will go at the ARGB port on your motherboard. There it is. And obviously you need power. SATA power, connect that at the power supply. And then you can connect this 4-pin at the motherboard or at the hub included at your Be Quiet PC case. So easy. And of course we have screws. To install each fan at the PC case. White color, I like it. So I have the black PC case from Be Quiet. I will show you on my next video. I will make a PC build, install all these parts at the case, and I'm sure they will look amazing. Silicone rubber here at the 4 corners. Durable construction, I like that. All the cables. 1500 RPM, the maximum for the 140mm, and 2500 RPM for the 120mm. Another premium product from Be Quiet. It looks amazing, a great design. Don't miss the final video of my PC build with all the Be Quiet hardware. Until then, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and share this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.